Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my honorable judges, teachers, dear friends, and all the audience. My name is Naura Sakhi, and I'm from SMP Hayatan, Thayyibah. On this occasion, I would like to deliver a speech today entitled How to Use Gadgets Wisely. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever heard that in the future, aliens will take over humans and rule the earth? In reality, it is not aliens who control humans. Today, humans are being colonized and taken over by their own creation, gadgets. Did you know that the average teenagers spend 4 to 5 hours playing or using gadgets? Sometimes even up to 10 hours. Many teenagers have already been exposed to gadget addiction, and research shows that excessive gadget use triggers anxiety, depression, sleep disorder, social isolation, poor academic performance, and problematic behavior. The truth is, it is not aliens who eat and drain the human brain. Instead, it's the addiction to gadgets that leads to what is now called brain rot. What is brain rot? The term brain rot refers to how low-quality internet content may slow your brain function. It's usually tied to watching specific types of content, usually nonsensical, embarrassing, or weird. That is why I would like to deliver a speech today about the importance of using gadgets wisely. Because while gadgets surely bring many benefits, they also carry negative impacts. In this modern era, gadgets have become an inseparable part of our lives. Almost everyone, from children to adults, owns a smartphone or other devices. Gadgets bring many benefits. They help us to communicate easily, to access information quickly, and even to study more effectively. However, behind those advantages, gadgets can also bring negative impacts if we do not use them wisely. Too much screen time can cause health problems such as eye strain, headaches, and lack of sleep. Not only that, gadgets can make us addicted, reduce our focus on studying, and distance us from our family and friends in real life. So, how can we use gadgets wisely? First, we need to set time limits. Use gadgets mainly for studying, communication, or other useful purpose. And reduce unnecessary scrolling or playing games for too long. Second, we must choose positive content. Do not waste time on harmful or useless things. Instead, search for knowledge, practice your skill, or find inspiration to improve your skill. Third, we should maintain balance. Gadgets are important, but real life is more important. Don't forget to talk with family, play with friends, exercise, and enjoy the world around us. Dear audience, in conclusion, gadgets are like double-edged sword. They can help us to achieve success, but they can also bring problems if misused. The key is in our hands. Control your gadgets. Don't let them control you. And that's all from me. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.